Yeah, hi everybody. Welcome to Habitat Demos for Friday, December 15th. It's going to be a short and sweet one today. We only have one demo, but as always, it's a good one. So John's going to kick it off by showing us some work with.
Okay. So pretty simple. Just added a demote counterpart to the job group promote command that existed. So for the sake of not waiting around for the build, we've already got this build group, which is completed. And so let's go ahead and do the promote. And of course, it's not in the history where I expect it to be. All right. All right, now I don't know what happened to my history, but that's okay.
So while you're searching, just to give some little bit of context on this particular command, when we do these large builds that are chained together, we are able to resulting hearts as a set, but until now we haven't had the capability to demote them. There was something we wanted to recover from. So what John's demoing now is ability for us to do that.
Okay, so first we'll just promote it to some arbitrary channel foo. That was successful. And then anticlimactic, but we can actually do the demote and it succeeds. And then I guess for me, somewhat the more interesting thing is the end-to-end testing automation that went along with this. So I can show that as well. And again, it can also do the build itself and then just wait around for it to complete and do this. But to short circuit it, we'll just give it the group ID that we already have. So it just generates a random name for the channel to promote to make sure that we don't actually do it for something that's already promoted. And yeah, works like expected.
Cool, that looks awesome. Do you want to also show the test script itself, or?
Oh, sure.
It's just a run. Thank you.
So it's pretty simple. Just takes either like package identifier if you want to run the build as well, or you can just short circuit with a group ID. And then probably the most complicated part of the logic is just the waiting around for the build to actually be done. And then once it does, it just sucks the group ID out of that output. Or if you give it the group ID, it skips that step. Then just runs the commands that you saw me do live, does the promote, makes sure that it actually shows up in the list of channels that it's on by running the package channels command, and then just does the reverse. Yes, the only thing that we didn't see, just because I don't have a package with more complex dependencies, was that it'll actually handle all the different packages that were part of the build job if you give it the -G flag. But I didn't have that set up yet since I had just created a new builder today.
Well, cool. That looks awesome, man. Demo.
All right.
And, yeah, and that's it for today. So thanks everybody for watching, and we will see you next week.